guys, welcome to Code is Coding. This is the project of simple calculator application. I'm going to write the code in C programming language. So, as you know very well about the calculate means basic arithmetic operations. On that only it will work. Am I right? So, in this code, I'm going to write arithmetic operations, subtraction and multiplication and division. So now why we let's see with the practically, then you get some idea. Initially I have to take slash include std io.h. This is the header file. In my project I need to run printf on scanf. So if I want to run the utilize those properties, I have to must and should use import standard input output library. Then return 0. Here I have to take data types. What type of data types I want to declare in my project. Here I have to take two data types. One is a double, another one is a character. num1. So num1 comma num2. num2. These two are the double data type. Now care operator. So then I have to use printf function slash n enter the operator. Enter the operator asking for user plus minus into and slash divided by. Once enter the operator, I have to store somewhere, right? Scanf percentile c comma operator, address of operator. Address of operator. That means it will go there to the memory and store. Finally, printf, I have to enter, suppose I have to choose the operator like a plus. That means to two numbers only we will add, right? So two numbers we will getting from the user. So enter the two numbers. Enter the two numbers. Enter the two numbers. Scanf percentile lf. I have to give here once again. Okay. Percentile lf. This is the format specified for double, comma, address of num1, comma, address of num2. Address of num1, comma, address of num2. Two values entered. Those two values are stored in the memory. Then I have to take a switch statement. In this expression, I have to pass the operator Then if I give the place, here I have to specify, I have to choose place, then respected code only I have to write it here. Printf slash n, what is that? Sum of sum is okay. Then percentage lf minus percentile lf, sorry, percentile lf plus equal to percentile lf. So this percentile represents to num1, this percentile represents to num2. Then getting the value, if num1 is equal to 12, suppose num2 equal to 12, so 12 plus 12, 24. For that one I have to specify it here. So one LF is for 12, another LF is for one more 12, then both combined, the resultant I have to take it here as a 12, 24. Then finally, what to do now? This code I have to copy and then paste it. And now you can change these values, plus this one is minus. Then here also it is not a subtraction. So here I have to change, instead of plus, minus. Then this is for into, this is for into. So this is for into, this is for multiplication. So I have to write shortcut as a MUL, and this is for divided by, right? And this one also divided by. And coming to here, I have to write one more thing I have forgot. Num1, right? Parameters I have to pass it here. Num2. Then operation num1 plus num2. Num2. This one also I have to write. Here change into minus. That's it. Coming to here, this one change into star. That means into. This one change into divided by. Now almost my code is done. Here I have to give the printf. I have to specify it here slash n. Enter the correct operator. Enter the correct operator. If all cases are failed, that means it reached to the end of the default block. Then it says that enter the correct operator. Now almost my program done. So I have to save the file and then run this code. Like this, I have to maximize the console. Then you get the clarity. GCC is the compiler which compiles the program line by line. If there is any error file, throw the error. In my program there is no error, so it won't give any error. Finally, it's asking the write the execution command. ./a.exe is the execution command. Then it's asking operator. I have to give the two values. Let's check. I have choose the arithmetic operation plus, then 12 comma 12 I have to give. Then the output is 12 plus 12, the 24. Again I have to give, rerun the code and give, execute the code, enter the value. I have enter now into give 12 space 12. 12 to is 144, right? So I get it here. So the multiplication of the value is 12. So like this, we will be finding the calculator operations. So for more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. In this channel, I am going to post the valuable and interview questions of Python, Node.js, React.js, and then HTML, CSS. So please share my videos to your circle. Thank you so much for your time.